Good afternoon. Today is December 17, 2023 Sunday, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Square 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 17, 2023, Sunday. Here are the SL Square 3 p.m. result from Mandawi City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for Sunday, December 17, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Sunday, December 17, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.